Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from BIWay. If you find us for the first time, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. In this new video, we'll see how to filter a column and add a conditional column based on a list in Power Query. So let's open the Power Query editor and see how it works. Sometimes when you work within Power Query, you need to filter a column based on some values, either to exclude them from the column or to include them. So if you have a few values to include or exclude, you can filter the column manually by clicking on the button at the top right of the column and then choose text filters. Next, you choose an option. And then in the Advanced tab, you can add several clauses. Then when you finish, you click OK and you're done. But the problem is that when you have many values to filter, filtering manually can be tiring. So that's where we can use a list and a specific function to do the job. Let's take an example. We have the product subcategory query, which contains values of product subcategories, and we want to filter some values that we have in a CSV file. Let's view the CSV file. These are the values. So the first step to do is to import the CSV file. Then we convert it to a list by going to the Transform tab and select Convert to a List. So now we have our list of values. Now we will return to our initial query and we will add a new step by right-clicking on the last applied step and choosing Insert Step After. Then we will write our line of code. We're going to use Table.SelectRows to select rows that meet a condition. We need the table as the first parameter, which is in our case the previous step. For the second parameter, we're going to use List.Contains function, which indicates if a list contains a value. The list name is subcategory to be deleted. And the value is our column. Let's validate the step. As you can see, the query is filtered and we see the same values as in our list. Now, if we want to exclude these values, we just need to add not before List.Contains. And voila, we got the result. Using the same function, we can create a conditional column based on a list. For example, let's suppose we want to create a new column which is null if the value of the subcategory exists in the list. Otherwise, we keep the value of the subcategory. Let's add a custom column. You can rename it if you want. Then in the formula we write if List.Contains subcategory to be deleted, which is our list, product subcategory the column, then null else product subcategory. As you can see, we get the required result. And if you want to do the reverse, you add not before the list.contains, as we did in the filter example. When you finish your transformation, you can close and apply. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions in comments, please post them in the comment below. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from DIY. See you in the next video.